I am so far out of my comfort zone at the moment, Jim. I've never taken a carburettor off a motorbike, lawnmower, or anything else for that matter. I'm following what a guy did on a YouTube video the other day. Take it apart, wash it, dry it, blow it out with compressed air, and see how it goes. I drained our petrol tank the other day using that hose, and I'm not sure that I actually put the hose back on far enough, because looking at it, it's like going upwards towards the carb, and it's gravity fed, so surely it should be going downwards, shouldn't it? Or does the air compress, the compressed air in the engine, drag that forward as it's running? I don't know, doesn't look right to me though. It's going uphill. I'm going to give it a go, mate. If not, I'll have to pop down to Screwfix and buy the mower that I was looking at last night. It's a Challenge XSZ40E. I'll let you know how I get on, mate. I'm reminded of the times when I was a young lad. I used to take radios apart that weren't working, planning to fix them, even though I had absolutely no knowledge. I think this is going to end up in the scrap, mate. I'm assuming that that crosshead, that Phillips head, is the mixture screw, is it, for the petrol versus air mix. The guy on the video took all of these out. There was like screwable jets on his carburettor. Don't make the mistake of thinking that I know what I'm talking about. I'm only talking the lingo that I saw on a YouTube video, but I'm not going to touch that. I'm just going to take it out, wash it, blow it through with WD-40, blow it through with some compressed air from my giant compressor there. Remember that one? I only thought it was a small one when I ordered it. Blow the bike tyres up. Come across, I think that would probably reach the moon if I pushed it up to full pressure. You know, we'll give it a go, mate. I'll let you know how I get on. So she would start, run for 30 seconds, unstall. Clean the air filter, no different. Clean the spark plug, no different. Changed the old fuel for some brand new fuel. E10, made no difference. So now I've got E5 petrol unleaded in the tank. Flushed the whole system. I even took apart the carburettor, swilled it out in soapy water, blew it through with some WD-40, soaked it in petrol a little while, and cleaned it with an air hose. So pretty much, there's a brand new spark plug in there now as well, and hopefully now she'll work. Give it twice as many pumps for the first pull. See how long it lasts for this time. Seems good. I'll take that. Happy boys.